In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off Google Password Autofill. Begin by opening Settings. When you're ready, scroll down to click on Google. Over here. Then tap on All Services. Scroll again and tap on Autofill with Google. Now choose this switcher next to Use Autofill with Google to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!